Hello everyone! Today, Hawthorne continues to introduce another delicious and unique dish to celebrate Valentine's Day, creamy pumpkin soup. This soup is just perfect. Its beautiful golden hue and velvety smooth texture provide such a cozy and warm start to a romantic evening. It's elegant, it's comforting, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Let's get right into it. For this recipe, you'll need about 500 grams of pumpkin, 100 milliliters of heavy cream, 1 small onion, and a single clove of garlic. You'll also want 500 milliliters of chicken stock, a slice of white bread for our croutons, and some pantry staples, unsalted butter, salt, pepper, and a little olive oil. First things first, let's prep our ingredients. Peel your pumpkin and cut it into small, even cubes. Then, finely chop the onion and garlic. The smaller you chop them, the more flavor they'll release. Now, let's start cooking in a pot over medium heat. Melt a knob of butter. Add your chopped onion and garlic and saute until they're soft and fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes. This step builds a beautiful flavor base. Next, add the pumpkin cubes and toss them for a minute to get them coated in all that buttery goodness. Then, pour in the chicken stock. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook until the pumpkin is completely soft and tender. You should be able to easily pierce it with a fork. Once the pumpkin is cooked, it's time to make it silky smooth. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and puree it until it's completely smooth for an extra velvety texture. And this is a pro tip: strain the puree soup through a fine mesh sieve. This gets rid of any remaining fibers and makes it incredibly luxurious. Return the strained soup to the pot over low heat. Gently stir in the heavy cream. Now season with a pinch of salt and a good crack of black pepper. Remember to reheat it gently and never let it boil once the cream is in, as that can cause it to curdle. While the soup is warming, let's make some quick and crunchy croutons. Cut your slice of bread into small cubes. In a small pan, melt a bit of butter and fry the bread cubes until they are golden brown and crispy on all sides. These add the perfect textural contrast. And now for the best part, serving. Ladle the hot soup into a beautiful bowl. For a professional touch, you can swirl a little extra cream on top. Garnish with your freshly made croutons and a final dusting of black pepper. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Serve it immediately, maybe with a side of toasted garlic bread. A quick tip for the best flavor: try using butternut squash. It has a wonderful natural sweetness that really elevates the soup. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you and your Valentine absolutely love this creamy pumpkin soup. It's a dish made with love for a day full of love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!